It's usually a good idea to see what it is that you did inside the cells. So right now we can only see the results of the cells over here. We're going to ask Excel to show us the actual formulas. Now we could do it one by one by clicking here and looking at the formula bar, or we can do it like I showed in a previous exercise. You can go to the formulas tab and then click show formulas. That's another way. Or you could do from the keyboard, you press the control and the accent key, which is the one to the left of the number 1 and on top of the tab key. So if you do that, it shows you the formulas and you can see the absolute references in here. And to toggle back, you can do the same key, control and the accent key. What I would like to do right now is to copy the formulas that we have for July, copy them all the way to December. Now to do that, I want to see everything that I have in here, so I'm gonna change my zoom to 90, and then I'll be able to see, if I scroll up over here, I'll be able to see from cost of goods sold all the way to operating income. So I'm going to select from here all the way to here, and now I'm going to copy this formula over until December. So I point at the data fill button, click and drag it over, and notice that it will not show me the full box on the next column until I'm more than halfway through the column. Okay, so I got December done. Now I would like to calculate the totals for the entries in here. So what I'm going to do is to select age 14 to 15. Now I want to leave this empty and I want to select this group. So I'm going to hold down the control key and I'm going to select this group. And I'm also going to include this cell, so I'm going to hold down the control key and click right here. And now I'm going to click the auto sum. Now I also have an auto sum in the tab name formulas, so I'm just going to point here and click, and now I got the sum for each one of these columns, for each one of these cells. So if I click in here, I notice that it says from B18 to G18, and that's what I want, from B to G. So my range is actually correct, so that's what I wanted. Now I have completed pretty much the work that I need to have for my spreadsheet. So I don't need to have this frozen screen right here. So I'm going to do Control Home, which takes me to the beginning of my unfrozen area. And from here, I'm going to tell Excel to no longer have this screen frozen. So now I go to the View tab. I click on the Freeze Panes, and then I say Unfreeze Panes. So now I can move easily through the whole spreadsheet. Now I'm going to save this work, Control S.